Hey guys, it's the typewriter here. I'm back with another video. And it's on a typewriter. It's really old and cool. This is how it works. You press this, one of these keys, look. You see this? Do you see this stuff moving? Yep, those are the keys. It moves, it hits this goes up, hits here, and then does that. So, next video, I'm going to type whatever you guys post in the comments. This video is not over, though. Right now, I am actually going to show you how well it works. And I'm going to show you the high quality typing you can see. So, name, the cube factor. Use that ribbon, call it the ribbon of ink, because, that's what it is, so, and see, right there. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I also need a lot more subscribers. I need subs. Thank you for watching.